Okay guys, so I had a technical difficulty on my camera here, but in the meantime, from the last shot, I showed you guys screwing in the screws right here on this back pad for the seat. So I've got one fender already installed right here, but the thing I wanted to point out is that the fender itself, if we actually take a look here, you're going to see a little tiny notch right there. So this notch lines up on top of the bolt that comes with the wheel hub here. So this little cap comes off, and you're going to use the associated tool, which is this right here that comes in the kit, to take that nut off. Now when you go to press this thing on, it's only going to go in one direction because there is a notch right there on the hub assembly that this is going to drop in place with. You will have to do a little bit of wiggling to get this thing to slide all the way down in place. And once it's in place, you can put the wheel cap back on and thread this thing in. So my recommendation when you go to thread it in, go backwards with the threads first, so that way you get it aligned correctly so it doesn't cross thread. So once you feel it catch, then start turning clockwise, because again, you do not want this to cross thread. Let's see. Now the threads on this are fine thread, so just be gentle with it, because once it's on, you'll notice it'll start threading down. So do not force it, because if you force it while it's threading, it will damage it. And as far as the assembly goes, the only thing left that I have to do is put some air in the tires, and this thing is fully assembled. The whole bike itself doesn't have a whole lot to it. Now it does come with the little reflective bracket here, so whether you guys choose to use that or not is completely entirely up to you. It is recommended for safety purposes, but again, each to their own. I'm going to go ahead and mount and install this guy right here on the back. Alright. Place this guy back on there. We want this to be somewhat visible, so that seems about reasonable. Now all the tools and everything that I've used literally comes directly with this kit, so there is no need, if you don't happen to have any tools with you, will you need any more. So again, this is kind of a turnkey package. You'll get everything you need to assemble this right in your home or garage or apartment. There we go. And then you got your little flag post here. Let's go ahead and move this guy up. Flag post is installed. So again, you get some decals that come along with this, so if you want to add some flames to it, you definitely can. Otherwise, it's got a really nice candy colored coat red to this that I actually really love. So, but again, that's all up to you guys on however you want to decal this thing up. You get a total of 4 of these flame stickers, and then there's one other one here. Sorry, 5 flame stickers. And then your main one right there. Alright guys, so that's it for the assembly. Thank you all for watching.